Hi everybody! Selma Girly here with another unboxing, this time for the month of March of 2023, and it is our Stickii Cute Pack. Just some knowledge for some new followers, and a reminder for old followers that I am visually impaired, and of course I use the zoom on my camera and reader glasses to be able to see stuff, like the fine details in these stickers. Alright. No spoilers, so I used to follow them, but I didn't want to be spoiled. Okay, so there's the front of the packaging while I check the envelope for anything else. Nope. Okay. Sorry about the lighting situation. It is rainy, it is snowy today, so there is barely any light coming in here, so we're gonna have to do that. So here's our organizer with our items inside, and our first item to look at is going to be our theme sticker. It looks like our theme is besties. And it looks like we have a red panda and is that a raccoon? I feel like that's a raccoon. Oh. The fire around it, is he angry? Is he angry? You can pause to read this so that you know what the theme sticker is all about if you want to. Okay, we got our accessory pocket here, and it looks like we got a stamp. Now, if you don't know, and you haven't seen any of my other videos, clear stamps are hard to get out of the plastic. They're sticky on one side, and you're meant to stick them to an acrylic block. They come in all shapes and sizes. They certainly come smaller. This one I got off of Amazon just so I could use the stamps. One side has grid lines on it so you can line it up if you'd like to make them a little more even on your surface or whatever. And the other side is just smooth. And what you do is you stick the stamp to it wherever you want. Either side, doesn't matter. And you either take the stamp pad with the ink in it and stamp the image, or you tamp it into it, of course, and then you could just place it wherever you want. Then you can remove the stamp, because as I said, it was sticky, and put it back on its plastic. Ahaha! That took so long, and I don't know why it did. They're supposed to stay sticky forever, and you have to remember to clean them, get the ink off of them by using a rubbing alcohol, like on a cotton pad or like a little like wipe. They come with 2 bits of plastic to protect the stamp. I keep them together because it protects it. And it looks like our stamp is the little red panda guy with the flames from the theme sticker. I love this. I can't wait to put this on stuff. So then I just put that back together and I put it here. But, you know, that's the whole dealio. All right, next we have our stationery pocket. Sometimes it's a notepad, sometimes it's not. I believe it's a notepad. It's been a while since we haven't had like a notepad or a stamp, I think. I could be remembering wrong. I could be. Who knows? Whee! Okay, we do have a little notepad. It's got a few sheets. Looks like our main part of the picture is down here on the bottom. We got ourselves a raccoon who looks like they're enjoying a book outside in the sun. Not sure what they're sitting at. The lighting is a little for me here because I have to use my lamp. And it's just a regular desk lamp. It's nothing fancy, no ring light, nothing. We have the information on the back here about who created this, and of course StickiiClub.com. There are 7 sticker sheets plus this little extra that I didn't realize was in there until I pulled everything out and I felt these. Looks like we got ourselves a 2-sided bookmark. Let's zoom in so we can see this better. A little bit closer. Okay. It looks like they're sitting on some books. Oh yeah, there we go. A red panda reading a book. A bookworm! Okay, there is our artist's name and information. And of course, there's some more coming up this way. This is so cute. This is such a nice gift. We've gotten bookmarks before. It's been a while, but we've gotten them before, and they're so cute and they're so tiny. So adorable. I rarely used bookmarks. I used everything else but bookmarks. Tell me in the comments below if you are also a person who uses everything else but bookmarks. Okay, so there is 2 clear sheets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn one of these around so that I can use it to show you and myself what it is. What's on here. Now, this one here is like, it's thick. This is a thick sticker sheet. I thought maybe there was 2 there. No, there's not. It's just a thick sticker sheet, and it is sparkly. You see that? Sparkles. We love a good sparkle, right? And it looks like it's more of the red panda. Oh! From the bookmark. Trying to show you so that way it's not sparkly. But the sparkles are fun now. They're holographic. There's the bookworm again, so adorable. And there's their artist mark and information. Our next transparent sheet is something that we haven't seen for a while, which they were calling them gift tags, but you can use them to like label envelopes or something if you'd like to have a little bit more flair. You can certainly use them for gift tags, but each one is a separate large sticker and then several little stickers. And there's a name that I recognize from before. But I'm going to give it a quick zoom in so I can see some of the... Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh. So, hedgehog. It's a hedgehog, yeah. With mushrooms. Is that its bestie, the mushrooms? No, it's a raccoon. Yeah, look at that little face. It's so cute. I love when we see this studio because their artwork is always so adorable. Okay. Weep. Now, the sticker sheet that I have been using to turn around. This one is also glittery. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's foods. There's always yummy foods. They always include foods in some shape or form in the cute pack, which I adore. I'm gonna think that is a... I don't know what animal it is. I watch. Editing me is gonna be like a mink or something, but the dark colored one, I'm not sure. Here's their artist information right there on Instagram. I mean, that looks like a cat. A very scared looking cat. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But they're having fun with all the food. Lots of fun. Oh, this one keeps curling up. All right, next sheet. Okay. Okay, gonna go take a walk there. That's adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at their faces. Look at their faces. Oop, I missed like the top here. Okay, that's from the notepad. Oh, look at the little bluebird. Is that the raccoon's bestie friend? Oh my goodness. There's the artist mark. And this that's so cute right there. So who is his bestie? Is it the little bluebird? Or the froggy? That's going to be my favorite sticker. I'm going to keep that forever. I hope you guys are enjoying watching these. Here we go, our next sheet. I really love showing these to you. There's from the stamp and the theme sticker, because even though it seems like they only send these out for the month that they are, and then there is occasions that in their shop they will sell some of the months again for the 3 different packs. So you could potentially get this pack in their shop. You just have to keep an eye out for it. Oh, these are so darling. Oh, these are so cute. Here's our artist mark. These are absolutely, oh my goodness. I love these. I love all of them. These are just too much, but yet not enough. You ever feel that way? Things are too much, but they're just not enough. And there's a car alarm going off. All right, let's see here. We got a red panda and we got a raccoon. I feel like they would be best friends. They would be like, look, I have a striped tail. And the other one would be like, I have a striped tail too. And then they would totally be best friends. Although, I don't know if they're around the same sizes. I think maybe the red panda is bigger in real life. What do you think? Whoa, what was that? Oh, it was the top of the sticker. It folded over. It's bamboo. Sorry. Okay. Was this created from somebody at Stickii? Aww. Well, thank you, artist at Stickii. StickiiClub.com. Last sheet here is actually, of course, 2 sheets because it is upside down. It is our washi tape set. Right here is the information of the person who created it. And I'm only going to look at one. And it looks like the same stuff from the bookmark with the bookworm. All of them are repeated, so that's the reason why I'm only looking at the one here. But it's so nice to get so much washi tape. The very last one, of course, is shortened because of the artist mark at the end, but you can still use it. So, what do we think? This was really great. I really enjoyed this one. Little besties for March. All right. I will see you guys in my next unboxing, which should be very shortly. So stay tuned for that. Bye-bye.